Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Take a look at temperatures this hour. We're in the mid to upper 40s along the coast, 49 in Brookings. Chilly for our inland valleys, 32 in Grants Pass. It's 37 in Selma, 41 in Medford. Down in Siskiyou County, 35 degrees in Montague. We're up to 39 in Mount Shasta, 35 in Happy Camp, and still pretty cold for the east side. Temperatures in the 20s and lower 30s for most spots, 26 in Klamath Falls, 23 in Bly. But look at Lakeview, trapped with that cold air, 14 degrees right now. Now, we do still have some reductions in air quality, moderate across much of the region in our inland valleys. A moderate in Medford, Wairika, Klamath Falls, unhealthy for sensitive groups in Lakeview, but we do expect as a storm system approaches for winds to pick up, more mixing going on, and that's going to improve air quality tonight into tomorrow. So the air stagnation advisory will continue until 10 o'clock tonight, but we should see improvements when it comes to air quality for tomorrow and some just better air in the region. We've been seeing some mid and high level clouds across the region throughout the day today. That's been filtering the sunshine a bit. We'll stick with partly cloudy skies for tonight with some breaks in there, and that will allow temperatures to get pretty cold tonight, just not as frigid as some of the previous nights have been. So this is the storm system that we're watching. It's kind of coming at us in two pieces. So where the heavier band of precipitation sets up, that's really going to determine how much rain and snow we see, and that still could waver a bit, but we do expect fairly widespread rain and higher elevation snow as we head into tomorrow. Mainly dry tonight, down to 11 degrees in Klamath Falls, 6 in Lakeview. We'll drop down below freezing in our west side valleys and down to 40 in Brookings. Eventually rain reaching the coast in the early morning hours of tomorrow. But for your Tuesday, we're expecting gusty winds up in the mountains, also in the Shasta Valley and along the coast. We'll see widespread rain, higher elevation snow, but snow levels will be rising. Snow levels will be pretty low in the morning hours, but they'll climb up to about 5,000 feet or so later in the day. So for areas that see snow up along the Cascades and Siskiyous and over on the east side, there could be a transition, especially below 5,000 feet, to freezing rain. And that's why, because the road surfaces will still be on the cold side, that could turn to ice with the rain on top of it and snowy roads. So could be a little bit of a mess when it comes to travel through the Cascades, Siskiyous, and some of the higher terrain of the east side, where we have a winter weather advisory from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow. There will be accumulating snow that moves in. Some of it could be heavy for a time, and we'll see some gusty winds as well. But in the pinks, that is some potentially wintry mix or freezing rain that could develop for some of our higher terrain and over on the east side. So we're really going to have to watch this precipitation as it comes in and exactly how cold these temperatures are. And then things will kind of wind down as we head into Wednesday. Then looking ahead to Christmas weekend, looks pretty mild, above average temperatures, mostly cloudy skies. There will be the potential for some rain showers. Best chance will be towards the coast, but still some details to iron out with exactly how far inland some of that wet weather makes it. We'll keep you posted, but in the meantime, tomorrow for the coast, wet and windy on your Tuesday. More opportunities for rain later this week and even through Christmas. Northern California will look for rain and snow, and then more wet weather for later this week, but snow levels will be much higher with that system for Thursday into Friday. At this point, looking mainly dry through Christmas weekend. The Klamath Basin, wintry and windy tomorrow. Travel could be messy with the snow and the freezing rain threat. Also heading up through the Cascades and Siskiyous, also going to be contending with some snow and ice that could cause for some very slow travel through, especially the Cascade passes. And then in the Rogue Valley, mainly looking to be just a rain event for us. We'll have to watch those temperatures and the onset of that precipitation in the morning, but as you can see, staying active through the rest of the week and potentially just a slight chance for showers this weekend. But with such warmer air in place, we're mainly looking at just rain showers. So all in all, even if it does rain this weekend, travel shouldn't be that heavily impacted.
Okay, well, that's good to know, especially because so many people are probably traveling for the holidays.
No doubt.
All right, Matt, appreciate it. Thanks.